Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of February 15th in my Recollections Celestial planner using this gorgeous Roses kit by the Giving Girl. This is a kit from her 2020 advent calendar. And for my memory planning, I just go in day by day and kind of fill in all the blank spots in my planner with the things that I did or like places we went and, just my memories. So if you want to see the pre-plan with me, like how I got to this point where I plan out my week in the future, what I think is going to be happening, that pre-plan with me, I'll have linked down below too, or it'll pop up in the cards. But for this video, I'm just going to go in day by day and just kind of share with y'all how my week went. So let's get started with Monday. Oh, I want to make sure to remember to mention all the shops I mentioned are linked down below in the description box. Please make sure you subscribe. All right, let's get started with Monday. So over the previous weekend, I had been kind of busy, I guess. I don't know, that's my excuse, but anyways. So I had to upload my video on Monday the 15th instead of Sunday the 14th. So I spent the day trying to get this Roses video plan with me uploaded on Monday. And it took quite a while. It actually ended up having to take me, I had to upload the video twice because the first time I uploaded it, it just never processed on YouTube's end. So it was a big hassle. So I'm just going to take one of these boxes from the kit and a laptop bow icon from the Giving Girl from a sampler, just to mark that I had to upload my plan with me twice. And then I'm going to take this cute little heart deco from the Giving Girl to put inside of the laptop. And for my divider in the middle, I'm going to use a flourish from Honey Inked. And so yeah, I ended up, it takes me, I edited the video and then it takes me like an hour to export it and then it takes like 2 hours to upload it, but then the video never processed, so I had to upload it again. So that was like another 2 hours, 2-3 hours. It was such a hot mess that I ended up just uploading the video on Tuesday because it was like 9 p.m. by the time the video finally processed. Then for my gratitude on Monday, I wrote mochi because my in-laws brought over some mochi they got from Costco that was really good. Just regular mochi, not like ice cream mochi. It was my first time having it not with ice cream, so it was really good. And then I wrote in my sidebar for my to-do list that I need to make a follow-up appointment for my son in a couple of weeks. Then moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take this adorable little bow clip sticky note from the Giving Girl. And also I have this sheet of deco that matches the kit from her advent calendar. And so I just used this really pretty chic purse. It has nothing to do with what I'm marking, but I just wanted to incorporate the deco wherever I could. I used a flourish by Crafts by Thaowie and then a Happy Meal script from Colored Daze because I received some, I think it was just orders, like sticker orders. So I received a couple of packages and that was, cheered up my day. Then on Tuesday, I did spend quite some time putting away stickers because whenever I film a plan with me, I kind of just it takes a while. It takes me usually more than an hour to film a video, and so by the time I'm done, I just kind of stuff all my stickers in a drawer and neglect them for a while, but then eventually I have to sit down and put them away or it's going to become a hot mess. So I spent some time doing that Tuesday. Then I'm taking a little scalloped corner from the kit and a transparent dot from the Giving Girl, and then this cute little chili pepper from Strawberry Creek Studio from her burrito and taco nacho kind of sheet or whatever. Because we got Cafe Rio for dinner. We ate out quite a lot this week, but it was all from gift cards, and that's why you'll see Wednesday's gratitude. Anyways, we had a lot of gift cards, and I happened to have a Cafe Rio gift card, so we just had Cafe Rio for dinner on Tuesday, which isn't my favorite place to go, to be honest. And then they got rid of all their seafood options, so the only thing we can eat there is rice and beans, so it's kind of annoying. But we had a gift card, so anyways, my gratitude was Happy Meal for Tuesday. Then on to Wednesday, I used this box that came in the kit, and I was going to put it up there, but there wasn't enough room, so I just put it on the bottom, one of the bowstrung boxes. Then I used a rescheduled script from the Giving Girl because I forgot that, so my husband, he has an Xbox Live membership, which is usually an annual thing, but he changed the subscription to their Game Pass, which is monthly instead. And I forgot that I had marked Xbox Live was going to be due on the 17th, but I forgot he, switched it out, so I just wrote rescheduled or whatever. With the script. Then I'm going to take a couple of flags from the kit and then another piece of the pretty deco with the rose. And then I have a little teardrop credit card icon from the kit because I just pulled our annual credit reports because you can do that once a year for free. Actually, during the pandemic, I think I saw online that you can do it like once a week for free. So that's pretty good that they're doing that. And, you know, it's just important to check your credit regularly and make sure there's nothing weird going on. So it had been about a year since I last checked it. So, and then I just put a little flourish in there from Honey Inked to kind of take up some of that awkward white space. Then back to the bowstrung box, I'm going to take some, a dot from the kit and then some transparent dots from the Giving Girl. And a telephone, like an old school kind of rotary looking telephone from Strawberry Creek from a previous $1 Wednesday. Because I had to call my son's therapist because we were supposed to go in for an appointment on Thursday, and I would rather have done it virtually, and they said it was possible last time we went. So I just wanted to call and, you know, see if I could have it changed to a virtual appointment, just give them a heads up, and, you know, it was no problem, so that was good. And then I'm going to take one of these little curly doodly arrows from Colored Daze just to point to the phone. Then I have this sheet of these adorable mini bow headers that also came in the advent calendar. And I love how everything from the Given Girls advent calendar, all the colors matched each other. So you could literally use anything from that advent calendar to go with this sticker sheet, the Roses sticker kit, because all the colors in the Roses sticker kit are the same colors you see throughout every single sheet you get. In the advent calendar, except for like a clear sticker sheet, you know, obviously, but anything that had a colored background in her advent matched this Roses kit. So it's perfect to just pull in anything, you know, to go with the kit, or they're just really pretty neutral pinks and grays and stuff. So you could kind of use them, you know, any other week as well. So it was genius. I love these little they're headers, but like they're so small, I can't use them as headers. So I'm just using it as a divider. And then I just took a little tiny quarter box from the kit just to mark that we went to a store. I wrote Thrive as the name of the store. It's not the MLM, trust me. And then I used one of her little side bow dividers on Tuesday just to kind of take up a little space. And it's also from her advent calendar. I love those side bows. They're so dainty and skinny, little divider side bows. And some are centered too. And I wrote gift cards for Wednesday because, again, we had a bunch of gift cards and it was nice to use those. We're trying to use up all of our gift cards and also all the food in our deep freeze because our freezer's full of food. On Thursday, I didn't really have much room to memory plan anything, so I just used a really pretty lacy divider from Honey Inked and then a pen divider from the Given Girl. And I wrote watching Sailor Moon on Thursday for my gratitude because just our whole family has been watching it together every night. The new Sailor Moon Crystal, well, it's not really new, but, you know, the newer one, not the older one. And if y'all don't already know, if you can't, you know, if you weren't aware from the title of my name, Moon Prism Planner, I love Sailor Moon, and I grew up watching it, and so I think it makes me happy that we watch it together as a family, especially with my son, seeing positive girl superhero role models, you know? Anyways, moving on to Friday, I am going to take a page flag from the kit and then one of her little corner bow arrows and a running shoe from Crafts by Thaowie, and then use the Take a Walk script from the Giving Girl because we took a walk together on Friday. Then I'm going to take another one of her dainty bow dividers from her advent calendar and then a scalloped bow box from the kit to mark that I made bang bang shrimp for dinner. It was my first time and it was really good, so I was happy for that. And I wrote for my Gratitude Friday Menchie, which is actually the name of the nail polish color that I'm currently wearing, this pink glitter. Oh God, it's so pretty. So it's my first time using it and I love it so much. On Saturday, I just checked off my checklist and then I used a circle bow accent from the kit and then a cute little sushi $1 Wednesday from Strawberry Creek to mark that we got some sushi just delivered from a place called Arata Sushi. And for the half box, I wrote in the movie that we watched for our movie night, which was called Flora and Ulysses on Disney+. It was interesting. I found out it was based off of a book or a comic or something. Then I wrote for Saturday Blanket of Love for my gratitude because I had a really nice yoga session that just kind of gave me like a blanket of love kind of vibe, and it was really relaxing and nice. And then to Sunday, I'm going to take a bowstrung heart from the kit and then this beautiful mandala from Honey Inked from a Gathered Plans freebie, along with one of those pretty tiny little dainty mini bow dividers from the advent calendar. And then I'm going to layer that with another corner arrow and dot from the kit along with a teardrop, grocery cart icon from the kit, just to mark that we had our Walmart grocery pickup at 11 a.m. that we had to go pick up our groceries for. And then I'm going to take a Flourish from Honey Inked just to go in that little awkward space underneath the Plan With Me. I did not end up filling out my to-do list, and I just migrated the appointment that I need to make for next week. I'll just call next week and do it. My gratitude on Sunday was grocery pickup, because it's just been so convenient. It saves us so much time, and also it limits our exposure because it's completely contactless. We don't have to be walking around in the store. I hate it how the stores have arrows to tell you which way you should be going down the lane or down the aisle or whatever. And nobody freaking pays attention to the arrows. There's just people going back and forth all over the place. It's so annoying. So we love the grocery pickup. And that is pretty much everything for this memory plan with me. Here it is all filled out. It's such a beautiful spread. Jen did an amazing job. Jen from The Giving Girl. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you're subscribed again if you're not already. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I truly appreciate your support. And leave me a comment if you just want to ask a question or say hi, because I will respond to all of your comments. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all stay safe. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.